can bring it. Like,
Do you want to do that? Or?
if it's helpful for you, I can bring my.
Oh no, it's all right for me.
Okay.
No, I thought it was for you.
No.
Oh, okay. Do you have what's it called?
I don't know. There's, I mean, the things don't.
You brought some with
Everything
you.
is far.
I left all my stuff in the car.
I know.
Did you have some that was a part of going into the cases?
Yes.
Yeah, then it should be.
Just a little bit, man. A little chocolate.
You gotta bring another way.
Okay.
Why? You don't need to put charcoal in your face.
It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be strong.
Well, that's why I'm giving you the tiniest piece that my fingernail can pick up.
Can we break it? Oh.
Yeah, your fire was lighting the coal on fire.
I was gonna do just
All burners on
On your finger too?
I was gonna break it.
Okay.
It's a lot, the chocolate.
I mean, you can. Are you strong enough?
You guys want to sing along with me a little bit?
Yeah.
While we light the fire?
You like it?
Yeah, it should be good. In Taino, Guatu means fire. And then my Brahma is one of the sacred beings of fire. Let me see. Is my Brahma here? No. Oh, this Yokahu. Can we put Yokahu here?
Yeah.
Oh, can we, when I allow? Oh, right there.
So you're keeping it in the box?
Yeah, right there in the box.
Braces.
Yeah, in the box. Yeah.
Scratch.
Okay,
Now we can just take the foam out.
Yeah.
Sound like it? Well, that means we gotta start singing.
Yeah, turn on.
Huh?
Oh, it is going up.
Oh, yeah.
It's very soft.
That should be good. Once again, it's an honor to be here, and for all of you here, we worked so hard on this exhibit. And so many people are gonna be moved by this and gonna change their lives. The regional exhibit and the Smithsonian brought us together. So, and now with this exhibit, it's brought so many people together. So repeat after me, ready? Watu,
North.
That door. The east. So we face the east. This is the where visions are born, our dreams, our ambitions are born. This is the direction of new beginnings. We face the south, and this is the direction of the homelands of the Caribbean, where these sacred beings came from. We point to the south. The south is also the direction of children, life, laughter, and joy. Now we face the west. The west direction is where our lovely departed are living right now. The ancestors, all our ancestors. So we honor them. We do not forget you. Now we face the north direction. The north direction is the place of purity, of introspection. It gets a little cold at the north, so it's a time to go in. Okay, we face the sky where the rain comes, the fertile rains to give us life, also where the sun lives, that gives us life. Without the sun, disease will kill us. Now we touch the ground. The ground is Mother Earth. Even though this is marble, it still comes from the earth. We love her because she's our mom. She gives us food and nourishment, and she cares for us when we're sick. And the seventh direction is the sacred circle. We made this circle powerful. We humans have an awesome responsibility of maintaining that rhythm in the universe here on Earth. Awesome responsibility. And with this exhibit, your talents, your gifts, you're helping this rhythm. Okay, Boguatucan is blessing. Boguatucan. Boguatucan. I gotta sign you guys up, man. These are great singers. In the Taino way. Look at that. You never knew that, right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
You had perfect timing because literally as soon as you finish,
Yeah.
Local file burned out.
Wow, what? That's some great timing right there. Thank you, no problem.
Alright. Yeah, that's where it was.
Back down to the shop.
Yeah.
That's it. And then you guys back. Thank you.